Hi guys, it's gonna be a little trade recap on the Nasdaq today. Um, Trade that I took on my rally accounts, my 6 rally accounts with fast track trading. I'll get into that at the end of the video. Um, but yeah, let's go over the setup. So I was waiting for New York Open as always. Um, so I was kind of neutral on the day. I was more so bullish. Um, so I was looking for kind of bullish setups, especially to these Asia highs. So we took London low, I think just pre-market before 9:30, I believe. And this was our previous day low. I was thinking we take previous day low over here, which was also a daily volume imbalance that we would tap, but we didn't end up doing it. So for me, the London low POI was enough. I also marked out 50% of this wick to see if we would respect it at all. So if I jump then another 15 minutes on this replay, I saw we respected it here, and then this 15-minute candle, if I show you the next one, it was a doji candle, which is to me a sign of potential reversal. Um, so what I wanted to see, if I was to go for a bullish bias for any longs, um, I would want to see a close above this high. This would be RCSD. Now there was an entry here, but there was no FEG within the breaker block on the lower time frame on the 1 minute, so I didn't take it. But this would have been the reversal breaker block, which I'm not going to bother showing. It's no point. I'll go another 15 minutes. We then had news at 10, but then we had this massive displacement candle. We then ended up getting our change in the state of delivery. So this was uh, my draw on liquidity at the minute. I also had this draw potentially, but this was my main draw, Asia highs. Um, so at this point in time, I pretty much there was nothing for me to do, so I waited for the next 15-minute candle. We swept the buy side liquidity, and for me at this point, if I was going to enter a long because I had a bullish bias, I wanted to see price come down to here, this 15-minute fair value gap, and I wanted to then see if we would get a move like this to go higher. So that's what I was waiting for. So if we go to the next 15 minutes, we didn't get it here, so we go to the next 15-minute. We ended up getting it here, and this is quite important, but if you note, we have a 15-minute bullish unicorn set up here. We tapped it, obviously respected it, but the most important thing for me was um, it was the range. So the low and the high, this was 50%, so price came back down to 50% of the range, and that's when I could drop down to the 1 minute. So this is our 15-minute CSD. Clear up the chart a little bit. So then this was our 15-minute fair value gap. This is our sweep on the lower time frame. Let's me mark it out. And then we would want to see closure above here with displacement leaving an FEG. We got that over here on this candle closure, but the FEG was formed there. Stop goes below the breaker, 20 points, and you could target 2R. So you get entered here, and then we can see how this plays out. This is the trade that I did end up taking. Um, you'll see later I did close early, just because I wanted to secure the profit, but also I kind of misclicked on something that I didn't know what it did. I thought it was like just to change my limit order of how many contracts to take off, but it actually ended up closing the trade. So that's my fault, but it is what it is because price did end up actually coming back down, and I would have got stopped out or break even at least. So that's what happened. And then if we go forward a bit more, this is coming up to where price is currently now. This is where price is now. So you would have got the 2R. That is just a stop loss placement. You wouldn't have just 20 points. You wouldn't have got stopped out. 2R though there. So yeah, that's the trade I took. I took it on my, as I said, my fast track trading account. I closed it early. The max I can make a day is $300 because of the consistency rule that I'm trying to aim for. I'm trying to get to 26,500 on these 6 accounts, and then I'll be able to take a $9,000 payout with them. I know that on the internet there's a lot of people um, are saying that they're bad, shouldn't trust them, shouldn't go with them. Personally, I don't really follow what people say on the internet. I kind of do what I feel is good for me. Um, I have bitten the bullet. I will see if I can get a payout with them. At the minute, I kind of am enjoying trading with them. I haven't had any problems, no account issues, not even getting the accounts, no issues like that. I know people that have also got a payout from them, so I'm quite confident, and I'll be sure to update you guys with these accounts, especially on my Discord. I'm tracking each day I trade with them. So yeah, if you are new here, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and check out the Discord in the description. Take care, guys. Bye bye.